The lengths of two legs of the right triangle, triangle ABC, shown below are given in inches. The midpoint of AB is how many inches from A? If you want to try to work this problem on your own, you can pause the video now. So in this problem, we are asked to find the midpoint. What is the middle of segment AB? So we know if it's in the middle, it's going to cut segment AB in half. So our one big question is, what is the total length of segment AB? Well, I see that it's the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle, so I could just use the Pythagorean theorem to find the total length of segment AB. So the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are your legs of a right triangle, and c is the hypotenuse. So it doesn't matter which is a and which is b. I'm going to let 32 here be my a, so that is 32 squared plus, I'm going to let 24 be my b, so that's going to be 24 squared is going to be equal to whatever that hypotenuse is squared. So you need to do some math in there. I'll let you put in your calculator. But again, once you square these numbers and add them, that's going to be what c squared is. We don't care what c squared is. We want to know what c is. So I need to take a square root of all of that then. So c is going to be equal to the square root of 32 squared plus 24 squared, which should give 40. Okay? Because it's in the ratio of 3, 4, 5. And if you'll remember anything about your 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple, what did I do? I multiplied this number by 8 to get 24. I multiplied this number by 8 to get 32. So I could multiply 5 by 8 to get 40. So I know the total distance of segment AB is 40. Now I want to know what is the distance from A to the middle. Okay, well that distance then would be 20 because it would be half of that total 40. So the correct answer here would be the letter B, 20 inches.